Hello, number nines. You are tuned into Ruhani Guidance, and this is your rest of the month prediction as per your date of birth. So, this reading will apply to you if you were born on the 9th, 18th, or the 27th of any month. This will also apply to you if you are ruled by the planet Mars. So, before I start the reading, I would like to request you to please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of my YouTube channel. And support Ruhani Guidance. Looking at your energies now, you've got 10 of Cups and Control. You could be wanting to be in a 10 of Cups state of mind. You would want that you have found someone profound in your life who you are spending the rest of your life with. You have your children. However, here I see that if you have issues facing, if you are facing issues in your love life, you cut short to direct communication, and you need to have a very logical mind. Communicate directly with your partner. If you are in separation, again you will have to start the communication. Again, if there are people who are married and who are facing issues with children, you will have to consult an expert. You will have to consult someone who can help you out with this, a gynec or a male doctor. This is something that is coming up as your energies for the rest of the month, and this is what will help you get through this. On the love front, you've got the Lovers and sharing. The Lovers card indicates here that you could be wanting to be with someone. Again, I see there is a lot of love, unconditional love, and you could be networking and socializing a lot with your partner. If you are not partnered, if you are single, you could find someone while you are socializing, networking, getting into parties, getting into networking events, and this is something that will help you find your lover for you in your life. Also, you could be in the same circle, you and your lover, and you could be passing messages to each other through your friend circle. However, I see you as a very independent, in your element sort of a thing for the rest of the month. So, could also be a Gemini that you're dealing with. On your work front, you've got 3 of Pentacles and Sorrow. Plan out a strategy instead of sitting and crying at one place. Don't spend your nights crying. There is help around you. Ask the people around you. They are more than happy to help you. Do not manifest negativity by crying over it, but just ask for help and you have all the success that you could desire, number nines. Pulling out some of the messages for you. It's up to you. If there is a question that has been bothering you, the answer is it's up to you. Taking shelter, the answers are within. Everything is within you. You have the power. You have the ball in your court, number nines, and this is now the time for you to decide what you want to do. If you have a partner you might be in a separation with, or you just want to know what your partner feels about you, there are still so many unsaid things between us. So number nines, overall, if I see your rest of the days look good to me, you will be taking a few steps in terms of getting your love life sorted, in terms of getting your work life sorted. Under the deck, I do have uncovering treasure. Beneath the surface lies the great bounty. Go within yourself. This is what the cards are indicating. All the cards here are indicating the same thing. Within the few next weeks, you will be getting where you want to get. Once you have decided what you want, it will be easier for you to manifest it. It will be easier for you to command to the universe to get you what you want. But for that, first you really have to make up your mind for that, number nines. And that is something which is of prime importance. Also, we're going through a lot of celestial changes in the environment. A lot of planets are moving, signs, changing directions. So whatever you do it with a sane mind, sane heart, and everything should follow. So nines, if this is what resonates with you, please write to me in the comment section below. And until I do the next reading, stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.